Welcome to Microsoft Project training course. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to do some common settings before we can start using Microsoft Project to build a project plan for the team. Okay, so now let's get started. Let's open Microsoft Project on the Windows PC. And this is the default layout of the Microsoft Project. We already deployed it in the first video of this training course. And based on my experience in the past when I working on any project, before using Microsoft Project to build a plan for my team, I always doing some basic configuration. And in this video, I will guide you how to do it. Okay, so now the first one is very important. You should update some project information. You click on the project tab, and then you click on project information option. It will display a pop-up where you can see some of the basic information for the project. You can select start date, or even you can select the finish date. So here, I will based on the project start date. For example, I will select the start date for my project. It should be on the 15th of April 2024. And this is start date. And the current date, I will keep it by default. We have some other option for the schedule from project start. If I change it to project finish, that means I can select the finish date of our project. I mean the expected finish date of the project. However, in this tutorial, I will select the option the project started, this one, and then I will click on OK button. So here, the first step, after we finish the settings for project started, you can see the timeline here. It has changed the start date on the Monday, 15 April 2024. And we also have finished this on the same day, because for now we do not do any planning for the project development. That's why the start date and finish date by default, it should be the same. The second one, you also need to do some configuration in the project tab here. You click on the change working time. It will open a pop-up where you can do some configuration for the project calendar in the project. I will talk about this one more detail later in another lesson. But basically in the calendar, we have some the date, the working time, and some other days in gray color. It should be in non-working time. The non-working time, it means the study days and Sunday as the standard calendars for the project. We also have some other options like exceptional day, non-default work week, and I will talk about it later, more detail, and guide you how to apply it in the project. Okay, so for now, just keep this one by default by select the option is standards for calendar. Click on OK button to finish the settings for project calendar. This is the second point. And the third point is also very important. You take a look in the status bar here at the bottom of the Microsoft Project tool. Here we have the new task. By default, it will setting the option is manual schedule. Click on this one. It will open up a pop-up where you can see two options. The first one, whenever you create a new task in the project, you can set the option by setting the task by the auto schedule. And another option, we have the manual schedule at the default. When you choose the auto schedule option, the date and some calculation by the start date and finish date will be have you to do automated calculation. Otherwise, for the manual schedule, you have to do it manually. I will show you detail later in another demo video. So here, by default, I always select the option Auto Scatter for this. The next point is also very important. I click on the Gantt chart format option here, and I will select the checkbox project summary. Check on this one. Yeah. And after that, this will add one more row here on top of the project plan. The task name here is when getting the name of this Microsoft project file. You see here on the top, I have the file name for this one is project 1. And it will auto pick up the project name file here and put it here. For example, when I click on File and go to the Info, I click on Project Information, Advanced Information. You see here, in the Summary section, we have the title. I will change the project title for this. I will have the Microsoft Project Training Course by CMVA. Okay, and click on OK button. So now, back here, you see here, we have the task name by default has been changed to the project title. And the next one, I will click on Save button and save this file, Pro. And okay, for now, I will save this one on my desktop. I will save this one as Microsoft Project Training Course by CMVA. Save it. Okay. And the next one, I will add one more column here. I call it a WBS, Work Breakdown Structure. I will explain this one more detail later for you to understand it. Okay, so save it up. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all. And this is all of the basic steps we should do before we can start by using the Microsoft project to build the project plan for the team. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next lesson. Bye bye and happy learning.